Condors.
Condor giant bird. A very big bird. Condor are huge bird. One wing can be almost as long as a bicycle.
Condor.
Condor
Homes.
home. There's big birds like
Wide open.
wide open space. They need
Lots.
lots of room for live. Condors fly high to look for food. They can fly off a long time. Condors live in high place. They
Dry.
dry their wings in the sun.
After.
After diving, they make nests on huge rocks and in trees. They tend to
Clean.
clean up. Condor can eat all kinds of bird,
Dead.
dead animal. They
May.
may eat an animal,
Rabbit.
rabbit of a big
Whale.
whale.
Condors.
Condor can eat dead animal
Without.
without they're getting sick. What made a condor a bird? All birds have
Backbone.
backbone, have feathers, have wings, have a
Bill.
bill, leg, egg,
Warm-blooded.
warm body
From.
from the neck up. From the neck up. Some
Condors.
condors have white feathers
Around.
around their neck. Others are all black. Condors do not have feathers on their head. Condors have
Heads.
condor heads can
Change.
change color. Their
Color.
color
Shows.
shows how the colors are feel. Colors get up.
Mother.
Mother condor lay one egg every 2 years.
Both.
Both
Parents.
parents
Care.
care of the egg. The baby come out of the egg
After.
after 2 months. 6
Months.
months
Later.
later, it
Starts.
starts to fly.
Condors.
Condor can live animal as long as a
Person.
person. There are
very,
very
few,
few
condors.
condor.
Today,
Today, people watch condor to keep them
safe.
safe. Big
Wings,
wing in the sky. Condor are
special,
special bird. They are some of the
largest,
largest flying birds in the world.